Why does this sign say stop?
This is a stop sign. It tells drivers to stop completely and look carefully.
What does this triangle mean?
This is a yield sign. It means slow down and let others go first when needed.
Why is there a number on the sign?
This is a speed limit sign. It tells drivers the fastest safe speed allowed.
Can cars go in there?
This is a no entry sign. It means vehicles must not enter from this direction.
The arrow points only one way.
This is a one-way sign. It tells traffic to move in only one direction.
This sign shows a person walking.
This is a pedestrian crossing sign. It shows a safe place for people to cross.
Why are there children on the sign?
This is a school crossing sign. It reminds drivers to slow down and watch for students.
It shows red, yellow, and green.
This is a traffic light sign. It warns drivers that signals are ahead.
The arrows go around in a circle.
This is a roundabout sign. It tells drivers to follow the circular road.
Why can't cars stop here?
This is a no parking sign. It means drivers should not leave vehicles here.
Is this where cars can park?
This is a parking sign. It shows a place where vehicles may park.
Does the bus stop here?
This is a bus stop sign. It shows where passengers can wait for the bus.
This path is for bikes.
This is a bicycle lane sign. It shows a lane made for cyclists.
So bikes cannot go here?
This is a no bicycle sign. It means bicycles are not allowed in this area.
That arrow is crossed out.
This is a no U-turn sign. It means drivers must not turn around here.
The arrow turns back.
This is a U-turn sign. It shows where drivers may turn around safely.
The arrow points left.
This is a left turn sign. It tells drivers they can or should turn left.
This arrow points right.
This is a right turn sign. It guides drivers to turn right.
The left arrow has a red line.
This is a no left turn sign. It tells drivers not to turn left here.
The right arrow is crossed out.
This is a no right turn sign. It means drivers must not turn right here.
The arrow tells cars where to go.
This is a keep left sign. It tells drivers to stay on the left side.
This arrow points to the right side.
This is a keep right sign. It tells drivers to stay on the right side.
Someone is fixing the road.
This is a roadwork sign. It warns people that workers or repairs may be ahead.
Car picture looks wavy.
This is a slippery road sign. It warns drivers to be careful when the road is wet.
Why are rocks on the sign?
This is a falling rock sign. It warns drivers that rocks may fall near cliffs.
Animals may cross here?
This is an animal crossing sign. It warns drivers to watch for animals on the road.
The sign has a deer.
This is a deer crossing sign. It reminds drivers to slow down and watch for deer.
Does a train pass here?
This is a railway crossing sign. It warns people to stop and watch for trains.
The sign has an airplane.
This is an airport sign. It shows the way to the airport.
Does this sign show help nearby?
This is a hospital sign. It points to a place where people get medical care.
Cars can get fuel here.
This is a gas station sign. It shows where vehicles can refuel.
Can we eat here?
This is a restaurant sign. It shows a place where people can buy meals.
This sign shows where the bathrooms are.
This is a restroom sign. It helps people find the toilet area.
The letter I means information.
This is an information sign. It shows where people can ask for help or directions.
This tells us where to leave.
This is an exit sign. It shows the way out of a building or area.
Is this where we go in?
This is an entrance sign. It shows the way into a place.
Why is this sign green?
This is an emergency exit sign. It shows a safe way out during an emergency.
What is that red safety sign?
This is a fire extinguisher sign. It shows where fire safety equipment is kept.
This sign has a cross.
This is a first aid sign. It shows where people can get simple medical help.
Why is the cigarette crossed out?
This is a no smoking sign. It means smoking is not allowed here.
This sign tells us to keep the park clean.
This is a no littering sign. It means we should put trash in a bin.
Pets cannot go inside?
This is a no pet sign. It means animals are not allowed in this area.
So we should not swim here?
This is a no swimming sign. It means the water is not safe or allowed for swimming.
This sign looks important.
This is a warning sign. It tells people to pay attention and be careful.
The floor may be slippery.
This is a caution sign. It reminds people to move carefully.
Walking person means go?
This is a crosswalk signal. It tells pedestrians when it is safe to cross.
Bikes may cross here.
This is a bicycle crossing sign. It warns drivers to watch for cyclists.
This sign shows kids playing.
This is a children playing sign. It tells drivers to slow down and be alert.
This way to the slides.
This is a playground sign. It shows where children can play safely.
Can we eat lunch here?
This is a picnic area sign. It shows a good place to sit, eat, and relax.